Good morning, everyone. I have read over your brainstorming and outline for Essay 1, so I'm sending this video so that you will do the best possible job on your Essay 1 draft this weekend. First of all, you are looking now at the Week 1 module, and I want to impress on you the importance of reading all the pages that I have put together in each week's module. For example, in the Essay 1 brainstorming and outline. Good morning, everyone. We're nearing the end of week 1, and I just wanted to go over this week's work and to make sure that everybody understands what to do for your essay, and also to impress upon you the importance of reading all the materials in every week's module. In week 1, the module leads you through reading assignments, an introduction to the novel, reading, writing process, parts of an essay. And all of these pages are important for you to read in order to do well on your first essay. In the writing process, you learn about brainstorming and outlining. And so your first assignment this week has been to do a brainstorming and outline for Essay 1. I've read all the ones that you have submitted thus far, and I felt it was important just to answer some of your concerns and also to explain that the brainstorming and outline assignment is something that you're going to do for the rest of this course. So some of you have asked me, what do you want this to look like, brainstorming? Well, one simple way of brainstorming is just to make a list. For example, one of you made a list. You were trying to figure out who am I going to write about, and you listed some people. So that's the very simplest way of brainstorming. First deciding who you're going to write about, and then maybe making a list of the heroic stages that this person went through, just something very simple, okay? The outline, well, probably many of you have written outlines before, and they look very formal with Roman numerals. My idea of an outline is something very simple. I would like to see your thesis statement, and you can click on each of these links for more information. I would like to also see what are you going to put in each body paragraph. What's your main idea going to be, and what kind of ideas are you going to use for support? So those are the basic things I would like to see in an outline. Just give me an idea of what you're going to put in each paragraph, okay? So throughout this course, I'll be asking you to do brainstorming and outlining. This is the first essay that we're working on now, and for this essay, you are going to write a draft, 10 points, and then next week you'll write the final draft, okay? But in subsequent essays, you are not going to write a draft. You're just going to submit a brainstorming and outline to me, and then the essay that you write after you receive my comments, that will be your final draft, and it will be graded. So it's important. This step is important so that I see what you're going to include in your paper and I give you feedback, okay? For example, about half of you did not include all the requirements for the essay. If we go back and look at the topic, I ask you to not only tell the story of a hero, but also to incorporate at least 3 of the elements or the stages that Joseph Campbell describes. And Campbell is a very famous theoretician who says that every single hero goes through universal stages and has universal elements. Did your hero have a call to adventure, a call to do something heroic? Did your hero move from the known to the unknown world? Were there helpers or mentors involved? Challenges, temptations? Was the hero transformed in the process? So these are all elements that that Joseph Campbell mentions, and I just want you to pick a few that would fit into the story of your hero. So you'll see from my comments that some of you need to add that Campbell reference to your hero story. And then some of you asked me, where can I find this story that you're talking about? Every week in the modules, you're going to have a page called Week 1, Week 2 Reading Assignments. If you click on that, you will find a link to the article, The Hero's Journey by Lynn Millam. Lynn Millam summarizes the ideas of Joseph Campbell. So you need to read that article in order to write your essay. Also, some of you have asked me to, I don't understand this book we're reading. There is a page here called Introduction to the Underground Railroad that explains a little bit about what the book we're reading is about. Some of you have asked me, how do I submit assignments? So there's a page about that, so you can understand how to submit assignments in this Canvas online platform. So I guess my message to you today is twofold. Number one, make sure that you read carefully all the pages that I've included every week because they will reflect on your grade in essays. And essays are the main way you will be graded in this course. This is the difference between getting an A in this course and maybe a C, is if you just jump to the first assignment without reading all these pages, you're probably not going to get a very good grade in this course. And you know that's what you want. You want the A grade, right? And secondly, I just want to make sure that you understand how the essay writing process is going to go in this course. I'm going to be asking you every time for a brainstorm and outline, and then you'll write your essay. Okay? So if you have questions, please don't hesitate to email me, but please also read the materials before you email me. Okay? Thanks a lot, and good luck on your paper.